guys, pag dumaan kayo sa EDSA, charot, may billboard ko ako. Baka walang gaano katagal siya magtatagal, charot.
Hey guys, welcome to the 5th episode of Cosmo Beauty Chatter with me, Cheska, where we talk about beauty, fashion, and everything under the sun while we do our makeup. Now, for our guest today, she's someone that I'm so excited to talk to because she's like a vlogger, content creator, and I'm sure nabudol na rin kayo niya at some point because girl, alam kong like nabudol na ako like so many times. Please welcome Toni Sia. Hi!
Hello! Hey, Cheska! Hey, everyone! Thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to just do my makeup and get ready with y'all. So, sali kayo guys, mag-get ready tayo sabay.
What's your first step?
I'm just gonna do, ito pinascribe lang ng derm ko sa akin, Avene.
Mag-skin tint na, like tinted moisturizer. So for the first question, and since nag-makeup na tayo, what's your current makeup and skincare routine now?
At the first part of the pandemic, I would say like last year, sobrang simple lang. Kasi hello, sino bang niloloko natin? Tayo lang naman na.
True.
But then this year, I found my love for makeup again. Like, ang saya pala mag-experiment. Ang saya maghanap ng bagong product.
Yung skincare routine mo naman, like, spill naman sis.
So, depende. I usually do makeup remover cleanser, toner sometimes, usually mga derma-prescribed, pero I like trying out skincare also. Pero I can't do without sunscreen, yung mga basics lang. And of course, like an acne spot treatment.
So, what's your best beauty secret naman that, as in, you've learned so far?
Okay, first of all, concealer muna tayo. Ito is mga best beauty secrets ko. I'm using the SEM Cover Protection. I've been using this for like 6 years. Hindi na ako nag-foundation ngayon. Like, for example, ito, I have spots. I try to spot conceal na lang. Kasi, I find that hindi ko kailangan yung buo na tataparan ko siya ng isang mabigat na layer na foundation. It's either I do skin tint like you, kasi light lang, but it does the job. And you know, ang ganda when the skin is speaking through kahit paano. And then I go in with foundation brush and I just put it in.
May beauty experiments ka ba na ginawa since like last year?
I mean, I had lash extensions, which I really love. And also I had my eyebrows microbladed. And I had my hair colored, but I can't do it at home because I don't trust myself. Ewan ko kung ako lang, but I'm pretty sure sa'yo din. Like, hair is just a huge thing. Like, kapag sinange mo yung color niya, parang you feel like a different person.
That's so true. Nakikilay na pala ako. Like, pinapowder ko muna siya with a translucent powder para hindi oily.
Same. Okay, I'm gonna use a brow, lang din. BLK lang. So, content fill in na.
Magkilay na din ako. It's the Isian ko, yung bagong the brow pencil nila. And yung sa benefit na 24-hour brow setter. What's your style formula now and how did it change like from before?
Okay, so before, actually, I'm not sure if you naabutan mo to mahilig ako sa puff sleeves. That was when I was a few pounds heavier. So yun talaga yung gumana sa akin and I loved it so much. And then I just fell in love with neutral tones because they're so timeless, you know? Like, through the years, never mo makikitang malalaos ang black, ang white, brown. It's always gonna be there, no matter the trend. And as for the silhouettes, I just developed a love. Like, ako ang staples ko, or I would say like formulas ko, bodysuit and jeans, medyo wide leg, na nakakatangkad since I'm not really that tall. So like a medyo longer jean that makes me look taller, perfect, and then a platform heel, or sneakers na medyo may tangkad. And then, another thing, I love button downs, na polos, just to throw it, or you can wear them on their own. And then, I also love mga cover-ups, cardigans, bralettes, tank tops.
Girl, nakita ko mahilig ka din sa mga corsets. Wow. Let's talk naman about what's been your morning routine ever since moving out.
To be honest, at first, I felt that parang excitement. When I was still moving out, like parang 1 to 2 months, parang, oh shit, bagong buhay, gotta wake up at 5 and sleep at 10. That's the life. But honestly, like recently, it hasn't been like that. Like, alam ko, kagising ko na ng mga 11. So, ngayon na, I slept at 1. So, simple na naman yung, ganatish ko dito. Minsan nagluluto, pero minsan nag-film, edit. It's not as exciting as you think, but at the same time, it's very peaceful lang. Hindi ko pinapressure yung sarili ko to get everything done in a day.
Mag-mascara na ako.
Ay, bilis mo! Wait! Broke pa lang ako
So, ano na yung next step mo, sis?
Okay, next step ko, cream blush.
Ito naman, how did your content change like pre-pandemic versus now?
Before, I was more beauty focused. Like, I would do reviews, really, and hauls. Pero ngayon, nilipat ko na yung hauls ko more on Instagram na siya, like, where goes na lang siya. It's not really like haul. It's more of recommending stuff that has worked for me. Sa YouTube ko naman ngayon, kung mapapansin mo, parang mas more din lifestyle siya, like vlogging kasi yung, like, that's the thing right now, I think. I'm in the middle of trying to figure out if I still want to continue daily vlogging or parang change it up a bit naman to maybe hauls again and switching it up kasi ewan ko, medyo nakakapagod po ang daily vlog. Pero yeah, that's what I've been doing as of late.
Oh my gosh, mag-blush na ako. Ito yung sa BLK.
So yeah, for me, Moon Beauty na highlighter. I love this one.
Matagal ka na yun sa YouTube, diba? Like, what have you learned after 5 years on YouTube?
I realized that numbers aren't everything. Kasi before, when I was starting, masaya na ako sa 100 views, I remembered. Tapos, habang tumatagal, parang mataas yung expectations ko for myself. And dumating sa time na when a video of mine didn't go as well or didn't get as much views, that I would beat myself up for it. So, parang alam mo, in-equate ko yung number of views ko sa worth ko. So, yun yung na-realize ko. And yun, I took a step back. I reassessed everything. And talagang nag-reflect ako na, sis, views lang yan. They don't equate to your worth. They don't equate to success. So, it's not that deep. Don't take it too seriously.
You've worked with many brands now. What's something you still want to achieve like in the future?
Alam mo, hindi ko yan naisip, ever. Ako kasi, I try to just go with the flow. Like, whatever is given to me, I will wholeheartedly accept it. Like, their opportunities. Chill lang kasi ako, ayoko naman sabihin na parang gusto ko maging cover ng gano'n. So, ano ang binigay ni Lord? Yun lang. Yun, okay na ako doon. But I guess, I don't want to think this is I still want to grow, is what I'm trying to say. Like, I have so much more to offer. Ang dami pang pwedeng maganap. So, sana, gusto ko lang, I'm able to adapt to all of the changes. Yun yung pinaka-goal ko, like, that I'm able to withstand all of the changes, the trends, that's still about to, you know, be trendy in the future.
Kapag nag-lip tint ako, yan yung sa detail, yung water tint na lang.
Okay, I'm gonna do my lips quick. Lip liner lang tayo. This is from ColourPop.
Do you have any message to your followers, especially to those who have been with you, like, since the start talaga?
I always say this, I will never get tired of thanking them. Like, whenever I have a milestone, big or small, I like acknowledging my followers, subscribers. Kasi yung iba talaga naging friends ko na rin. Like, I know people from like 5 years ago na sumasupport pa rin sa akin. Like, I just really am so thankful kasi sobrang nag-iba talaga yung buhay ko. Pangarap ko lang to before, in-envision na magiging career ko siya ngayon and na ang dami kong ma-achieve because of it, daming mga opportunities na go-open up and na-realize ko, kung wala yung nanonood sa akin, kung walang sumasupport na nagtitiwala, wala talaga ako kung saan ako. And I really don't ever want to forget my followers. They've played a huge part in my life. I don't like calling them followers, I like calling them my friends. So, thank you. You really have changed my life. I don't think people know how important they are to me, but thank you is all I can say. And sana hindi sila magsawa sa akin. I don't know.
I feel like they're very proud of you kasi like, nakita na nila yung growth mo. Like, I feel like they've grown alongside you and like in your career. It's really nice to hear. Okay, done ka na ba? Kasi like, ako like, okay na, ito na.
The Shopee, Lazada order, look.
Pag pinicturean ka ni Kuya, ayan. Kaya ready na ako. So that is it for today's interview. Thank you so much, Toni, for taking the time out of your day to just chat and like do your makeup with me. And I'm sure marami ding natutunan yung mga friends, not followers, your friends natin. And do you have anything you want to plug? Anything new you're working on?
Ano naman guys, pag dumaan kayo sa EDSA, charot, may billboard ko ako. Baka walang gano'ng katagal siya magtatagal, charot. Just follow me on Instagram at Toni Sia, no do, Toni Sia on almost all platforms. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay safe kayo lagi ha. Don't forget to take care of yourself.